Lesson 9: Count Noun and Mass Noun. Peace be with you. I'm Rodolfo Martin Vitancol. In this video, I will present to you Count Noun and Mass Noun. Count Noun. A count noun is a noun that can be counted from 1 to any number. It is also called countable noun. Count nouns can have both singular and plural forms. Example: ball. Ball is countable. There can be 1, 2, 3, or more balls. More examples of count nouns: man, bottle, peso, table, bag, pen, chair, flower, tree, dog. Mass noun. A mass noun is a noun that cannot be counted. It is also called non-count noun or uncountable noun. Example: blood. Blood cannot be counted or is impossible to be counted. However, there are mass nouns that can truly be counted if you wanted it to, like sand and salt. The individual grains of sand and salt can be separated and counted. It is just that it is too difficult to separate and count them, that no one in his right mind would ever do it. More examples of mass nouns. Under abstract concepts: advice, business, education, freedom, wealth, information, research, evidence. Under emotions: anger, happiness, love, hatred, sadness, surprise, disgust, boredom, admiration, fear. Under sciences: astrology, astronomy, physics, psychology, geology, chemistry, zoology, biology, medicine, philosophy. Under languages: Spanish, Japanese, German, French, Arabic, English, Hindi, Tagalog, Portuguese, Russian. Under measurements: length, height, width, depth, breadth, weight. Under food and drink: coffee, tea, juice, milk, wine, wheat, rice, sugar, salt, seafood, ice cream, fish, bacon, sauce. Under nature, air, heat, ice, water, humidity, sunshine, moonlight, wind, grass, electricity. Under chemical elements, gold, silver, iron, bronze, aluminum, hydrogen, nitrogen, platinum, carbon dioxide, plastic. Under qualities, loyalty, friendliness, honesty, confidence, enthusiasm, sincerity, darkness, brightness, stupidity, intelligence. Under sports, football, basketball, baseball, hockey, cricket, soccer, billiards, chess, tennis, archery. Under weather, rain, snow, lightning, thunder, winter, spring, summer, autumn. Under miscellaneous, furniture, equipment, machinery, homework, clothing, baggage, luggage, hair, news, software, traffic. What is the number of mass nouns? Mass nouns don't have plural forms. They are always in the singular form, taking singular verbs. Incorrect. Blood are thicker than water. Correct. Blood is thicker than water. Being uncountable, mass nouns do not use numbers to specify their exact amount like what we do with countable nouns such as 10 apples, 40 trucks, or 100 people. If you want to indicate how much of a mass noun you are referring to, you can place some appropriate units of measurements in front of it. Examples: a loaf of bread, a slice of meat, cheese, a glass of water, a piece of advice, a lot of information, a wealth of knowledge, a sack of rice, a grain of sand, rice flour, a piece of furniture, a pile of trash, a strand of hair, a line of thought, a drop of rain, blood, oil, a cloud of smoke, a flash of lightning, a gust of wind, a bar of soap, chocolate, gold, a bowl of cereal, rice, soup, a bottle of Coke, juice, water, a box of cereal, a can of cream, sardines, tuna, a carton of ice cream, a cup of coffee, tea, milk, an item of clothing, a roll of film, tape, toilet paper, a spoonful of sugar, syrup, a tablespoon of butter, honey, salt, a teaspoon of syrup, medicine, a tube of glue, toothpaste, lipstick. Avoid using many, several, or few to modify mass nouns. They are only applicable to count nouns. Example: tree. The word tree is countable. Therefore, you can say many trees, several trees, or few trees. But if the word is air, which is a mass or an uncountable noun, don't say many air, several air, or few air. You rather use the adjective much or less, such as much air or less air. Mass nouns are different from zero plural nouns. Zero plural nouns are those words whose plurals are the same as their singulars. Zero plural nouns are not mass nouns. They are countable nouns. Examples of zero plural nouns: deer is singular. The plural is deer. Sheep, sheep. Moose, moose. Walrus, walrus. Fish, fish. Offspring, offspring. Series, series. Species, species. Japanese, Japanese. Taiwanese, Taiwanese. Since zero plural nouns are countable, adjectives such as many, several, and few, and count numbers like 10, 100, or 1,000 can be applied to them. Example: many sheep, 100 sheep, a million sheep. Some mass nouns can be both countable and uncountable. The rule is that if the mass noun refers to one in general, it is uncountable and therefore singular. However, if the mass noun refers to one of the many varieties or types, it is countable and can be pluralized. Example 1: water. We went swimming, but the water was too cold. The water in the above sentence refers to water in general. It is an uncountable noun and therefore should be treated as singular. In some areas, the waters have receded and the cleanup job has begun. The waters in the above sentence refers to one of the various types of water, as there are potable water, fresh water, rain water, wastewater, and other more. It is a countable noun and therefore can be pluralized. Example 2. Time. Time flies so fast when you're having fun. The time in the above sentence refers to time in general. It is an uncountable noun and therefore should be treated as singular. I have seen that movie many times. The times in the above sentence refers to one of the various types of times or occasions, as there are time to watch, time to sleep, time to rest, and other more. It is a countable noun and therefore can be pluralized. Example 3. Food. Man cannot survive without food. The food in the above sentence refers to food in general. It is an uncountable noun and therefore should be treated as singular. There are plenty of bad chemicals in processed foods. The foods in the above sentence refers to one of the various types of food, as there are natural food, oriental food, continental food, and other more. It is a countable noun and therefore can be pluralized. Quiz. This is a 20-item set of questions to test your understanding about this lesson on count noun and mass noun. Instruction. Write down on a piece of paper all the nouns. Next to each noun, write C for count noun, M for mass noun, or MC if the word can either be mass noun or count noun. Example: she lost her money, her family, and her friends. Answer: money, M, family, C, friends, C. The questions. You may pause the video after each question to write down your answer. If you don't want to see the answers as yet, pause the video right now. The next frame reveals the answers to the questions. You have 5 seconds to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answers. You may pause the video after each number to check your answer. The Simplified English Grammar Program. This program is presented in a most progressive way, meaning it is proceeding step by step in logical sequence that if you jump over any of the steps, you will find difficulty in understanding what is being taught in the lesson you have jumped into. Therefore, if you are a newcomer to this channel and a first timer in learning the English grammar, it is advisable that you start the program from the very beginning, that is, from lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless. Mabuhay!